Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add the Trust Wallet extension to the Maciz browser. First, launch the Maciz browser application on your mobile device or computer. Once open, proceed to the Chrome Web Store, which is accessible directly through the browser. Use the search bar within the store to find the official Trust Wallet extension. This ensures you download the correct and secure version for your Maciz browser setup. After locating the Trust Wallet extension, click on its listing to view more details. You will then see an Add to Chrome button. Tap this to initiate the installation. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the necessary permissions for the extension. Carefully review these permissions and then confirm to proceed with adding Trust Wallet to your Maciz browser. This step integrates the wallet directly into your browsing environment. Once the extension is added, a new Trust Wallet icon will appear in your Maciz browser. Click this icon to open the wallet interface. You will then have the option to either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. If creating a new wallet, ensure you write down and securely store your unique 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds. With your Trust Wallet successfully set up, you can now access your various crypto assets directly within the Maciz browser. The extension allows you to seamlessly connect to a wide range of decentralized applications, or dApps, for various blockchain interactions. You can also manage and approve your cryptocurrency transactions directly through the wallet interface, making your Maciz browsing experience more integrated and secure for Web3 activities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.